Have you ever pondered how observing a green apple could increase the probability that all ravens are black? It's a curious notion indeed, and if it sounds puzzling, you're not alone. Welcome to the enigma known as the Raven Paradox. The Raven Paradox, proposed by Carl Gustav Hempel, a philosopher of science, challenges our understanding of evidence and how it supports a hypothesis. The paradox stems from an apparent contradiction within the principles of inductive reasoning, which, in simple terms, is the process of drawing general conclusions based on specific observations. Imagine you have a theory that all ravens are black. Each black raven you see gives you more confidence in your theory. But according to logical equivalence, a principle that states that if two statements are both true or both false, then they are logically equivalent. The statement "all ravens are black" is logically equivalent to "all non-black things are not ravens." So when you see a green apple, it supports the statement "all non-black things are not ravens," and hence indirectly supports the theory that all ravens are black. But it seems counterintuitive, right? How could observing a green apple give us any information about the color of ravens? This paradox raises essential questions about scientific reasoning and the nature of evidence. It suggests that not all evidence that technically supports a hypothesis is necessarily relevant or useful. It highlights that the scientific method is not foolproof and that there's always room for interpretation and error. To summarize, the Raven Paradox challenges the principles of inductive reasoning and the scientific method. It pushes us to question what constitutes as evidence and how we interpret that evidence to support our theories. It reminds us that the journey to scientific understanding is not always as straightforward as it may seem, and sometimes a green apple can make us question the color of ravens. So the next time you see a green apple, remember the Raven Paradox and consider the complexities of scientific reasoning that lie behind the simple act of observing the world around us.